In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Squarespace banner. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to spruce up your current website, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and confidently, ensuring you get the look you desire for your site. Let's jump right in. First, to begin editing your Squarespace banner, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace website. If you're not already signed in, do so, as this will take you to your Squarespace dashboard. From here, you'll see a range of options to get started, so let's focus on our task at hand. Once you're on the Squarespace dashboard, the next step is to click Get Started. This will guide you through to the main foundation of your site, where all of your settings and editing tools are located. Now, direct your attention to the Pages panel. This is on your dashboard and serves as the hub for all pages you've created or are perhaps planning to create. Scroll through and find the specific page containing the banner you wish to edit. This step is crucial because each page within your website can have distinct elements and designs, including unique banners. Upon locating your page, you'll notice a small gear icon next to the page title. This icon is essential as it represents the settings options for that page. Click on this gear icon and a variety of settings will appear, providing you with further customizable options. Depending on the template you've chosen for your website, you might find the banner settings housed under the section named Media. However, some templates have a distinct banner option explicitly labeled, making it straightforward to locate. Carefully browse these settings, as they will allow you to adjust your banner, whether it's changing the images, adding text overlays, or adjusting the layout settings. Now, the editing part is your creative playground. Once you're satisfied with the enhancements and changes you've made to your banner, one of the most imperative steps is to hit the Save button. This ensures that all your hard work is successfully published and live on your website for viewers to see. Without saving, all changes could be lost, and you may have to repeat the steps. And that's it. You've now successfully edited a Squarespace banner and customized it to suit your site's look and feel. Remember, a well-designed banner can significantly enhance the user's first impression of your site. Feel free to experiment and adjust until you find the perfect combination that represents you or your brand best. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like more tips on customizing your website, be sure to check out our other videos.